like way over here by West Tampa. You doing all this shit in the middle of the road.
Where's your saw?
He's daddy for the rain. What? Record you for what? What I'm recording you for?
You got food. I'm not fat. Mama, did we came here before?
Yeah.
I thought it was a different.
I
thought we
we came to this one.
I thought we were going to the one with the different. It's the same one. I know I'm going to play. Pressure on the plate. We don't know. I already know we're going to sit up here. Let me know we're going to sit.
Come on, he's letting us cross.
How many? Where's your shoes, Daddy? Daddy,
She gotta wait till daddy brings us up. Hey, where y'all going? Come back out. We gotta wait for Keto. What you playing there, boy? Oh, I thought you was playing. You got it. Put it in your pocket when you finish, okay?
What? It's like the people.
Okay, there you go. It's on this side. There you go. Let me see one. They only give you one ball? Yeah, they only gave you one ball. That's it. Leah, you can't drive, girl. Let's see what Harmony doing. Let's see what Harmony doing. Y'all know y'all can't drive. What? What you playing? No, put it in your pocket. Let me see. Press start. Okay. You gotta shoot that. Up to the top, yeah. It's in the bag.
Space Invaders.
Turn around, let me see. No, keep it in your front pocket. Right up there. I know I look rough today. I don't feel good at all. I'm coming down with a cold. I ain't even bothered to comb my hair. This is how my hair looks right now. But yeah, today is my grandson's birthday and I didn't want to miss his party. I had an appointment to go get my hair done, but I didn't go get it done because I'm not feeling good. So this is the outcome on his birthday. And he know Grandma don't feel good, so he said, Grandma, I'm not worried about you being dressed up or your hair not done or anything like that. And that really made me feel good. He uplifted me today.
Daddy! Daddy!
They didn't even want to put the shoe though. Come on, Big Daddy.
Nani, come on!
Ready?
Daddy almost grabbed the food.
You got to get in the chair.
Rashawn, you how you got in that one?
Daddy, that was because the phone with the food in
Uh-oh,
his hand.
boy.
Put the food in his hand.
What happened?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
Let it count down.
You gotta make a wish first. A lemonade.
Deshaun said he wants a lemonade.
I get that 1, 2, 3.
What's the matter, Nari? Hold your head up, baby.
Mama, stop recording her.
I'm recording you now.
Oh, you're not.
Yes, I am. Y'all save me the quarter piece. The corner, yeah, I want the corner piece with all the icing. Like that.
Gotta got all the ice cream.
Y'all know I like the corner piece.
I want the carrots too.
Watch where you going. Fat. Woo. I'm gonna go home, watch some TV, take me a nap. Whoa. Ooh, Lord, what's the people? Yep, look at you. Just look at you. Look at you. Jesus, I'm full.
It be hot in your car.
Close your mouth.
Y'all was the one talking.
She is gonna be late. I get hate when I walk too much. Cause then she start balling up.
She's gonna be very, very lazy.
I don't know why. I'm not lazy.
You sleep all day.
I'm tired. I gotta catch up on my rest. The hell?
Sleep all day. And then she greedy.
Yeah, put me back to sleep.
And that's sad. That's just very sad.
I'm about to grab one.
Looking for beach stuff for the kitties. It's dead. That's their job. Down this way. See what?
Check that man. You see me walking out here with one damn ball.
Nah. What is it that she wants now? Oh, I can't wait till the baby get here. I can't wait till she get here. She got a cooler. Girl, I'm hungry. I know. Did we pass it?
Yeah, you go.
I don't think I see no blankets. That's crazy. I don't see no blankets. And they ain't got no blankets. Same blankets that you got. You need one of these for her to come home in. What? 0 to 3? Yeah, because it's got the hat and everything with it.
She need mittens too.
You know what? That's what. There goes some right. Yeah, for 4 pair is $5 or something.
Little chick.
These are cute though.
$7 for these little ass out.
Yeah, but they're cute. I can't wait till she get here. Right there. Right there it would be.
No, know, let's see how tonight goes.
You got some more beach stuff over here, Talisha. Oh, it ain't no toys or nothing. It's just like floaties and stuff. It's just floaties. What, bud? Oh. Let me see. I don't even see the coolers. I just seen somebody. Excuse me, where's y'all coolers? Oh, she see them. Thank you. Well, $29. Here they go down here. Looking for a cooler. See. Nope. I want these here. I don't see the styrofoam. Oh, here goes some right here, but I don't see no.
Park this right here.
That's where you gonna leave it.
Yeah, because
He don't care.
it's too motherfucking hot.
Too hot. Oh. Yeah, that's your phone.
That's this one back there.
Put that in the car. Family day today. We're going to the beach. So y'all, I have been growing my hair for some years now, natural, and keeping it cut low. So yesterday I decided to give myself a relaxer because my hair is so thick and I couldn't do nothing with it. So I decided to go back to the relaxer, and I'm gonna see how this works. So yeah, we're going to have a family day today at the beach, and when we get to the beach, I will hit you guys back.
Is it wrong for me to ask her to come on contact? 888-429-0941.
They need to fix that. They gonna fuck somebody's tires up and shit like that. It was done for them to put a fucking turn lane right here.
That's not me.
Dance one. Shut the fuck up.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Don't step on this.
Can you help me take this off?
Come on, honey. Bend down.
Thank you. Kiddo, why won't get in the water?
That water cold.
No, it's not. Not no more.
Your auntie can't look fine. She's pretty.
Come over here.
Go get that bag up.
That's a female. How you know that's a female?
Because it's the different colors from all of them.
Okay.
You know something. Big shot. Stop. Go put this in the garbage. then you end up with a fat, jiggly, laughing ass, goofy ass.
No.
Yeah. Not a fat, jiggly. Girl, up this comment, I said, you think that shit funny, you fat asshole? I said, why you so bad? Why you so pressed?
See, like he was very pressed.
he especially with Zaria calling that phone. And they drive itself. Talk about, oh shoot, it was in California, I just came to the United States.
Girl, he need to stop.
They be talking about, when is he gonna get a case manager or something?
He ain't. At this point, he's not gonna get one.
I've been saying it's star crush. He needs the boy Avo, whatever his name is. He needed him because when he was with him, he was getting booked back to back. He was dressing nice. He was keeping himself up. He was saving money. Now he done got a new boyfriend. The new boyfriend done convinced him that Avo was calling the Social Security people on him. Now he done took all his he had $70,000 in his bank account. He done took it out and put it in.
Come on. Come on, Zanarian. Go. Okay, we're walking to go get some ice cream. I see you over there. Trying to scare somebody. You can't scare nobody. Stop before you make me drop it now.
No, put it.
Let it go.
Put it on.
No, I ain't got no case on it, girl. Don't be playing with me like that, girl. It is beautiful out today. Very, very beautiful. Sorry, guys. Y'all are shaking. But I don't have no tripod for my iPad. I'll hit you guys up when we get to the ice cream parlor. Don't fall, girl. Ah, it hit me. It hit me. This little girl trying to kill me. She's trying to, oh, look at the butterfly. Oh my goodness.
Come on.
Wait, let me get the butterfly. Going into the ice cream parlor. Going into Frida's. Frida has some good ice cream. Very good ice cream. So we're going in here and get her some ice cream. All the ice cream I have in here. Tell her what you want. All the ice cream that they have. Hi. Tell her what you want. You gotta tell her what you want.
gummies.
All right, we're back. We got our ice cream. See? Now I'm finna go in the house and get busy. She got bubble gum.
It's not bubble gum.
What it is? Cotton candy?
Yes.
Oh. Hi. Well,
Bubble gum and the strawberry is that's bubble gum.
well, I thought you had bubble gum.
No, this is cotton candy.
Okay. We got the cotton candy. We got the cotton candy. Mm-hmm. Girl, you could have made me fall. No, because you cut right in front of me. The door is locked. Alright, you grab the keys. Move out the way. Move out the way.
I get tablet.
Ooh, girl. Open the door. Thank you. I don't know what's going on over here. These are some apartments across from where I live at. And they got the popo back here. They normally be jamming. I don't know what's going on, but I gotta go get my pizza. I didn't have enough.
Bro, gonna make me ready today. Please, no.
What's wrong with them? Where y'all been?
What y'all been?